How to set up email sync in Pipedrive. Setting up email sync in Pipedrive is a great way to keep all your communications tied directly to your deals, contacts, and leads. So to do that, you need to go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. From here, click on Personal Preferences and then click on the sidebar at the left side of your screen. Now head over into the Email Sync tab, and then from here, go ahead and click on the Start Sync button. So make sure to add your email account into the section before you can proceed on starting your sync. Now after that, you need to select the email account type and set the visibility and sharing settings along with the sync settings. So once you've done that, you can go ahead and email sync your files from Pipedrive to your personal Google Mail. So you can add more email accounts by clicking on that email account above your currently added email account, and that is how you can basically set up email sync in Pipedrive. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.